Hi guys, in today's short tutorial I'll show you how to make calls in Telegram. For example, you want to call your friends or relatives. Let's first of all open Telegram and click on the chat with the person who we want to call. Then in the upper side of the screen, click on that icon of phone. But I need to mention that we won't be able to call if this person uses private mode. Well, let's click on the phone. As soon as this person picks up the phone, we can start talking. In the lower part of the screen, you can see everything what you can do while we are talking with this person. By clicking on the first icon, you can put the person on speaker. You can turn on the camera or just mute this person. In some cases it might be handy when you need to distract from conversation to answer your relatives or someone else. You can just click on that icon. And the last button, the red one, just quits the call. Well, today I showed you how you can make calls in Telegram. That's quite simple. Thanks you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. And press the bell to receive notifications.